Alex Pones here for PimpoWars.com. Last year, gun-related deaths in America numbered at 11,458. 11,457 of those deaths were carried out by secret government agents. Their plan is to get the guns so they can get control. We've seen it time and time again throughout history. Mao, Stalin, Pol Pot, Hitler, Castro, Chavez, Mussolini, Pavarotti, Bradgelina, J-Lo, Bieber, and Barack Hussein Obama all want to get the guns so they can cram you into FEMA trailer camps like Spam in a can, like sardines in tight jeans. Folks, it's coming, and the only thing that's going to save you from the apocalypse is the Second Amendment, which I have neatly tattooed onto the underside of my scrotum. Why is the Second Amendment tattooed to the undercarriage of my genitals, you ask? Well, the question I would have for you is, why would you not have the Second Amendment tattooed to the backside of your ball bag? What do you have against having an American scrotum? Okay, I'm finished. I have absolutely nothing more to say. Every New Yorker saw it. Building 7 was taken out by suicide pills. The people on the planes committed suicide on 9/11, and suicide jumpers dove off the buildings on 9/11. Coincidence? I think not. That's right, folks. 9/11 was perpetrated by the pharmaceutical corporations. This is the first time anyone's ever heard this. Operation 3PE, a.k.a. Peter Pumpkin Eater. Oh, the CIA doesn't want me to talk about that, though, do they? Listen, if you aren't all ready to stand against pharmaceutical tyranny, then I suggest we go toe-to-toe in a boxing ring for a few rounds. Mono-E NWO, shill. My advice to the average American citizen is to keep a flamethrower under your pillow at all times. Any day now, NWO, Illuminati, Freemason, banker, drug cartel, government agents are going to kick down your door and demand your guns. And at that point, are you going to want to be without a flamethrower under your pillow? Right, you never thought of that, did you? Folks, I've seen the government transcripts, okay? Columbine, 9/11, Aurora, Sandy Hook, Honey Boo Boo, they're all false flags. I'm ready for the coming storm. When those agents kick down my door, they're going to get a taste of napalm and belt-fed 50 caliber ammunition. Anyone unfortunate enough to be left alive, dying in agony, are going to get teabagged by my American nutsack, so that the last thing they see before they die is my wrinkly baby-making luggage, a few gnarly pubes, and the Second goddamn Amendment. The NWO are climbing in your windows and snatching your weapons up, trying to disarm you. So y'all need to hide your Uzis, hide your assault rifles, and hide your bazookas, because they disarming everybody out here. We got your transcripts and your audio. You are so dumb. You are really dumb, for real. You don't have to come and confess. We already know, so you can run tell that. Homeland Security.
Ho, that was bigger than usual. Oh, Roger, that must have set off all that ammo.